Hello everyone, my name is Meenu Sharma from Nursing Department, Clinical Instructor in RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today our topic is hypothermia. Hypothermia is decrease in body temperature than normal value. The normal value of our body temperature is 96.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, due to insufficient heat production. Next, excessive heat loss. Next, what is the etiology of hypothermia? Metabolic condition, decreased muscular activity. Next, damage to thermoregulatory center. Next, diarrhea. Next, over sedation and anesthesia. Next, what is the sign and symptoms of hypothermia? First of all, subnormal body temperature. Next, cold skin and extremities. Next, weak pulse and decreased heart rate. Next, shallow breathing. Next, lethargy. Next, terminal stage like low cardiac output and decreased reflexes like coma. And finally, is death. The treatment of hypothermia is preheated room like shedding and pre-warm like IV fluids, like next steroids, shock condition, next oxygen therapy. Thanks everyone. If you like my video then share it and subscribe it.